This is one of the beaches in Amagansett, and they used to call this beach Asparagus Beach, because what you do is, as the sun is setting, the sun's not setting right now, people would stand up and look at the sun together and determine who they were going to spend the night with, who they were going to go to dinner with, who they were going to have drinks with. And that's why they called it Asparagus Beach, because all the kids stood up and they sort of looked like asparaguses, standing up and looking in the sun. No swimming today. There's a hurricane about 200 nautical miles offshore, kicking up some pretty healthy waves. But this is a quick look at Asparagus Beach. This is a beach that I've probably told you about, Asparagus Beach. It's in Amagansett. It's where the kids come, and at sunset, they'd stand up looking like stalks of asparagus, trying to pair off and figure out who they'd spend the night with. It's a town beach, but if you live here, you can get a permit to come here for free. I don't live here at all, but they let me in because they like me. And the water's a little rough today, but this is it. They have lifeguards here, and some lifeguards to hang out. Rough waves today. Probably not a good day to do some saves. Have you gentlemen heard of Asparagus Beach? It's supposed to be in Amagansett. You have?
I haven't.
Asparagus Beach, that
Yeah.
might have been the old name of this beach.
This was Asparagus Beach.
Yes.
And they
There was
called
a-
it that
there was
because the
a killer.
kids at sunset would stand up like asparaguses
Yeah.
and looking to see who they'd spend the night with or who they go out to dinner with.
Huh. I only knew that because I watched a documentary recently
About this. By the way, are you a lifeguard too?
Yes, I am.
No saves today, huh?
No one's allowed to touch the water.
Makes sense to me.
Yeah.
Well, it's about 400 miles off, 400 nautical miles away right now.
It's ridiculous.
Well, how high would you estimate those swells to be?
Right now, it's probably about 4 or 5 feet, but yes,
They look higher on the outer.
on the outside, it's probably
When they hit
about
the
2
bar
feet
out
higher.
there.
Yeah, the outer bar makes them go higher. Yesterday, about if you came down around 7-8 o'clock, they got up to about 15 feet.
That's very high.
Yeah.
Did you want to go surfing?
I wanted to, but my grandma asked me not to, so I told her I wouldn't go in the water.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Liam.
Leo. Nice to meet you, Leo. So now you've seen Asparagus Beach. And we'll stop the video at this point. If you like these kind of videos, see that little red button on the lower right hand side of the screen? Just click subscribe. And clicking like doesn't hurt either. Bye bye.